Welcome back. Today is the fourth day. As you know, we extended the trip. But now we will slowly start to leave the forest. So let's do the cold start. Again, the bridge. Here we need to drive slowly. Because if we fall in water, no one here to rescue us. I am planning something crazy. Wait for a few moments. Now you will see the crazy things. Now tell me, is this crazy or not? Just show me where I've been and where I've reached. Everything has been tested in this trip. All kinds of durability tests have done. Let's take the tunnel. Let's see where it goes. Oh, we are very close to the exit of the forest. One more challenge. This one is difficult because it's too stiff. Let's try. As I know, it will be difficult. Extreme testing we are doing here. Finally, now we have to spot a place for campaign. Too much off-roading we have done today. I think this place is good. And tomorrow we will get back to home. Suggest new trips. Where should I go next? Tomorrow the last part of the trip will come. Subscribe, share, comment, like.